What's up, my Big Mack Snack-Wraps? It's your boy, the Mickey Mac, and welcome to another show. Today's show, you guys, we're doing another car bang, and let me roll my windows down because it's a little hot up in here. We're doing a car bang today. I have a 6-inch from Subway, and I have the new spicy dill pickle chips from Miss Vicky's. We're gonna say a prayer and we're gonna get into this. Amen. Y'all know your boy got the, and I took the mustache off, but I kept like this little part right here. But I took the mustache off. But yeah. We have a 6-inch here. And I'm really not gonna open it all the way because it's quite messy. They kind of stuffed it really good. But it's a grilled chicken on flatbread. Let me see if I can get this right. It's a grilled chicken on flatbread with lettuce, spinach, extra onions, olives, pickles, banana peppers, provolone cheese, extra black pepper, and marinara sauce. I add the marinara sauce because I really like the meatball sandwich, but the meatball sandwich has a lot of calories, or more calories, a lot of fat. So I get the grilled chicken, put the marinara sauce on it, same effect. And it still give me like that Italian type of feel. But boom, y'all see the sandwich right there? Are we gonna take a bite? We're gonna try not to get messy. I got a white shirt on. So here we go. That's good. And these spicy dill pickle chips is fire too. But how y'all doing out there? This has been my go-to sub. And I got some zero sugar Powerade. We're gonna sip a whole lot of it. I really want some unsweetened tea. I've been loving unsweetened tea on ice lately. Must be getting older. This is so good. So what y'all got going on this Monday? And I think for this and this, the chips and the sandwich, I think it's like 600 calories, y'all. I may be closer to 700. But hopefully everybody's having a good Monday. Let's get out there and make that money. So y'all, today I was supposed to start school, but all the classes that I wanted to take were full. So I had to start in January. But they're gonna sign me up already, so I could be, ahead of the game. And I decided on the cybersecurity. So if I start in January 2024, I should be done by October. There's a guy that was yelling at me. Let me hurry up and get from over here. My windows are slightly rolled down, but I don't trust these people out here in these streets. He seemed like he a little off. But God bless him. He's still going off. That was good, y'all. Let me get up on out of here. People's crazy in these streets. But thank y'all for coming to kick it with me. I love y'all. I thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. Shout out to all my day ones, all my new snack wraps, everybody in between. Y'all have a beautiful Monday. I'm gonna have me a beautiful Monday. I'm gonna get it from over here. So I can make it home for the 6 o'clock news and not be on the 6 o'clock news. Messing around with these people out here in these streets. But I will catch y'all same time, same place, same guys, same face. Until we eat again, my beautiful snack wraps. Peace.